GNG Electronics rocked the IPO market with this massive subscription figures. The allotment is due on 28 July, Monday. Here is the listing day strategy just for you. What does GNG do? GNG Electronics is India's largest refurbisher of laptop and desktops, operating under a brand name called Electronic Bazaar. It is present in over 38 countries, having over 4,000 touch points for its customers. So what are its core offerings? They refurbish electronic devices such as laptop, desktop, smartphone, tablets, etc. They also have buyback solutions for retail and OEMs such as HP and Lenovo. So here are some details about the financials and the momentum. The revenue has grown by 24% for last 3 years. PAT, profit after tax, has grown by 32% for the financial year 2025. 76% of the revenue has come from the international markets, which shows strong international market dominance, which also introduces forex risk. It also refurbished 5.9 lakh devices in financial year 2025. ROE stood at 30.4% for the year 2025. Average ROE was at 17.3% for the last 3 years, and average EBITDA was at 8% for the last 3 years. So what does the valuation say about GNG IPO? Here are the basic details of this IPO. The price band is between 225 to 237. The P ratio is at 39 times and PB ratio is at 10.17 times. The good part about this IPO is 320 crores of this IPO proceeds are going to debt repayment, which brings down the debt to equity ratio from 1.97x to 0.1x. Looking at all these figures, it is evident that this IPO is fully priced. Let's talk about some of the risk factors. High reliance on the laptop business. 76% of the revenue is dependent on the laptop business. 76% of the revenue is also dependent on the overseas business. This particular sector is dominated by unrecognized and unregulated players, which create margin pressures. 47% of the revenue is flowing from top 10 customers only. So what are the strengths and forward outlook of this IPO? This company is a clear market leader. This sector is expected to grow at 30% CAGR and expected to touch 35,000 crores in next 5 years. Strong partnership with global brands like HP and Lenovo puts this in a very strong position. Its innovative value-added services, B2B offerings, and wider sales channels add to its strengths. So how did the anchor investors react to this IPO? Most of the prominent anchor investors invested in this IPO. They totally invested 138 crores in this IPO. So what is the GMP saying to us? Today, 26th of July, the GMP is at 100 rupees, which suggests that a strong listing gain of 42% on the listing day. So let's come to the very important topic of this video, listing day strategy and my final word. GNG Electronics ticks most of the boxes. High growth, solid financials, licensed global play, and massive investor interest. Along with that, it comes with some set of risks in the form of valuation, concentrated revenue, product, concentrated top 10 clients. Valuations are at higher side, but it looks reasonable for a market leader in this sector. So what is my suggestion? If I am a short-term investor who is looking for listing gains, I am going to offload all my stakes on the listing day, booking my profits and investing those profits in mutual funds. But if you are a long-term investor, do not forget about the risk. You can also use trailing stop loss strategy, where you place your stop loss at a desired profit levels. If it hits the stop loss, pack up and invest your profits in mutual fund. Let me know in the comment section what is your listing day strategy. So if you are confused on how to invest your profits in mutual funds, consider following my WhatsApp channel, where I give real-time updates on the market data and you exactly know which sector to invest on that particular dip opportunity. Link given in the description and the comment section. Follow the link and join my WhatsApp channel. If you found this video informative, give me a like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who is expecting an allotment in this IPO. Let's meet on our next video on NSDL IPO. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.